Guys, so this hotel also provides free breakfast, which is like a self-serve breakfast buffet. Check out the spread here. Guys, check it out. They also have all this free fruit, which is really nice. And also, they got a bunch of free drinks. They've got pop, they've got some beer, they've got milk, cream, pretty much everything that you need. And it's a pretty huge common eating area as well. Alright, after a nice hearty breakfast, we are off to do some exploring around the city. Time to hop onto the train. We're here at the British Consulate of Takao, and look, I found my uncle. Apparently my uncle is also here. Alright, let's go check it out. Should not have worn jeans today. Very sweaty once again. Basically never wear jeans in Taiwan is what I've learned. Doesn't matter what time of the year it is. The view that you get from up here though is pretty bomb. Check this out. And we're not even all the way up. Time to keep going. Check out this view, guys. This is crazy. Guys, look at how real these things look. So creepy. Alright guys, we are all finished with the British Consulate, and now we are heading to Cijin Island, which is this small little island right by Kaohsiung. It's basically like we take a, they call it a ferry, but I think it's more like the sea bus basically.
Yeah.
And yeah, should be fun. Alright guys, we are on the ferry. Tiny, it's like more like a, not even a sea bus, it's very tiny.
A tiny boat.
Yeah, it's like a tiny boat. It's pretty nice. It's very crowded. And we are off. Alright guys, we have made it to Cijin Island, and now we're just gonna walk around and explore a little bit. Don't know too much about Cijin Island other than it's a touristy spot, and we're tourists. Alright guys, we got some food. We got a pepper bun.
Peter's favorite.
I love this bun.
Yeah.
The bun is really hot outside, and the bun is really hot right now. I'm scared to eat the actual pork filling because I feel like I'm gonna burn my face. It's very hot. You can see the pork, onion. It's really, really good. So Sandy, what do you think about Cijin Island so far?
Pretty cool little spot. There's a lot of cool little shops. Very organized, actually.
And so clean.
Yeah.
So organized. There's like so much variety too. It's not just like a bunch of the same stuff. They got more donuts. Ooh, these ones are sprinkles. Alright guys, now we are walking over to the beach here. It's so nice. It's so pretty. Yeah, they even have like a little sand playing area over there. Look at all the palm trees.
Vancouver Beach.
Yeah,
Here.
like English Bay, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow, I did not expect it to be like this nice of a beach. Wow.
Yeah, it's so nice.
So nice. Should have had flip-flops. Guys, check out this beach. So nice. We're just taking a quick little break now to get out of the heat at this bar by the beach. It's really, really nice. Nice breeze here. We're right by the water. We're in the shade. You can see the bar behind me. But the best part of all is this view. Check this out. Alright, we had a nice little break. Got out of the heat for a little bit. Had a drink. It's good. The bar was really cool actually.
Yeah,
We really liked it.
super cool.
Super cool. And now we're gonna go explore some of the tourist destinations here on Cijin Island. Our first tourist spot is the Cijin Star Tunnel. Alright guys, we made it through the tunnel and the view is so cool here. You can see
Look at the giant rocks.
Yeah, the giant rocks and the water like smashing into the rocks. Apparently when it's like a higher tide, I think, the water like goes all the way up and like smashes these rocks. Guys, check out these awesome rock formations. So cool. There's some people taking graduation photos here. Alright. Let's go. Alright guys, that little hike up was totally worth it. Check out this awesome view. We're very sweaty right now, but 100% worth it. What do you think, Sandy?
Yes.
Yes. Keep on going. Heading to the lighthouse. I'm so tired. Getting too fat for this. Alright, we made it to the lighthouse. It's like a mini White House or something. We had to climb all the way up from, I mean you can't see it, but we were very low. It was a long climb. I'm very sweaty. How do you like the lighthouse, Sandy?
It's very pretty.
Yeah, it is. Alright guys, we are back at the ferry terminal. We're taking a different ferry though, and we're gonna head to Pier 2, which is this really cool art installation thing, and then just take lots of pictures. It's supposed to be really nice. And eat some pastries. Alright guys, we are here at Pier 2, which is an art installation area here in Kaohsiung, right near the light rail tracks. So, these are the light rail tracks, and then there's a couple of different things. There's that. There's that little dude. There's like a transformer. There's horses for some reason. But look, it's a giant transformer. That's pretty cool. Guys, check this out. This is like another giant art installation, and it's made out of shipping containers. That's so cool. Alright guys, we got this ice cream from this little ice cream shop called 25 to go Brent. And it's a matcha ice cream. Take a look at that matcha. It's really good. I like this very matcha. Alright guys, our next stop of the day is the 85 Sky Tower, which is like the Taipei 101 of Kaohsiung. I think it's actually made by the same person. Alright guys, here it is, the 85 Sky Tower. We are gonna make our way up. Check out that view! We're all done with the tower, and now we're gonna have a little snack. We're gonna get a Taiwanese sausage inside of a sausage.
It's a Taiwanese hot dog.
It's basically a Taiwanese hot dog. Instead of a bun, it's like a rice sausage. So, here it is, our Taiwanese sausage in a sausage. Hey Sandy, where are we?
We're at the fried chicken place again.
The same one as yesterday?
Yes.
Why are we here again?
Because Peter ate all the fried chicken yesterday.
I didn't eat all the fried chicken.
Yeah, you did.
I ate some of the fried chicken, not all of it. I just ate like 75% because Sandy was too slow at eating it. Are you excited?
Yes.
Eat it.
It's so hot.
Guys, look at how juicy that meat is.
It's so thick.
So juicy and thick. Alright guys, it's time to hit up the next night market, the Ryufeng night market. Alright guys, we have made it to the Ryufeng night market. It is so busy here. It is difficult to film. I've already lost Sandy. This night market is insane. It's so big. And there's like a million food stands. There's a million people as well. So we're just gonna eat. We're just gonna eat everything. It's gonna be great. Alright, Sandy, what are we ordering?
We're ordering fried squid.
Fried squid.
Taiwanese calamari.
Alright, guys, we got our fried squid. It's got some Japanese style mayo and what is that? Seaweed flakes. Alright, Sandy.
Very chewy.
Very chewy? Like good chewy, bad chewy? Good? I want to try some. Alright, guys, I'm trying the squid. It's not bad. I gotta be hot though.
Yeah.
But it's not bad. And our adventure continues. I need more food. We are heading back to the hotel after eating a bunch of food at the night market. We couldn't even film everything because it was just crazy busy there. This has got to be like, I mean, I don't know if it is, but it's like the biggest night market I've ever seen. It's super huge. It's like, I don't know, like 3 city blocks or something.
There's even a separate food court area we realized
afterwards.
after the fact.
And we're like, oh, this would have been good to try, but now we're full. So yeah, we're heading home, or heading back to our hotel for the night, and I think we're gonna just call it there because we are super exhausted. We've walked like 30,000 steps.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys in the next one.